In this video, we're going to show how to use the Kaoss Pad 3 Plus being MIDI synced to the deluge. We're going to start with single hits. So all you have to do to record a single hit is you press this button here and you'll see a number here, and that just says how many bars we're going to be recording. So we're going to leave it at 4 for now. So what I want to do for a single hit is you have to hit this again to stop it before it reaches the end, because if it reaches the end, it's just going to turn it into a loop. So let's just try this. We're going to start with just number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1. So we have that set up now. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So let's just record the others then. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go, go. 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. Go, go, go. 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2. 3, 2, go, 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 go. 2, 3, 2, 1, go, 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 go. I have the Juno 6 running through this keyboard, and what I'm going to do is just record something into here. So what I'm going to do is turn on some hi-hats. It's going to be in an audio signal that's after this signal, so it's not going to capture it when I do sampling. So again, we just press that, and this time we're going to stick with 4, and I'm just going to play some notes in. We press it again to turn it off. And let's turn off the timer so we can just listen to this. Okay, let's make another one. I'm just going to play lower notes this time. And what I'm going to do is hold down Shift and then you press any of these. And what we'll see here is volume for that specific sample. And also for this one, you can change it. We have 8 slices. What this is doing is it's cycling through all the slices. So I can enable or disable any of these, and it will just skip over whatever way I've turned off. And then if I exit, I can play with effects now. Let's go to this one. Again, when we go in Shift and press it, we're not going to be able to use effects, so just keep that in mind. Okay. Let's record in some vocals. So what I'm going to do is turn on all the effects and then resample this right back into the deluge.